Welcome, this is Algebra 2, Unit 2, Section 2. Whoa, 2. Transformations. Y equals plus or minus A is what we're going to look at today. Yesterday's lesson, or the previous lesson, the H and the K is what we looked at. Now, I'm not sure that you got this, but the bottommost part of a parabola, or the topmost, is called the vertex. The vertex is actually your HK value. So make sure that you have that in your notes. That's how you can easily see the vertex is right here. Make sure to switch the sign on the H, but the K stays the same. That's why this is called vertex form. Okay? Now today we need to look at what happens with the plus minus A, and realize you can find your vertex and then adjust with the plus or minus A as to how you draw that graph. But I always locate my vertex first. So we're going to look at positive or negative A. So I want you to write the parent function again in your notes. Make sure you have that down. We went over it yesterday. Pause the video, copy it into your notes right there. And then what we want to do is have the parent function on the graph. And now, I want you to put a template. You're just going to make 6 templates here, and then you're going to go over to Desmos calculator again and see what they do. We're going to see what happens when you put a negative x squared in. Do that, and then draw it here. Put in a 1 divided by 5. Now, you may have to put parentheses around that on Desmos. I'm not sure. If it gives you problems, then do parentheses, but I would just type in 1 divided by 5, and it may put it in fraction form, then you'd be cool. Okay, so put that in there, see what it does. 5 to the x squared, see what that does. Pause the video, copy those in your notes. Then I'd like you to draw these. After you've done those 3 in Desmos, I want you to have these drawn in your notes, and I want you to predict what they will do, and then put them into Desmos and see if you're correct. If not, then correct it and really look at what's happening. So right now I want you to go to www.desmos.com/calculator, enter the equations from those templates, and study the patterns. Be able to explain in class what happens with A. Now I will give you a hint. I don't look at the sign on the A as part of A. I look at the plus minus separate. So we'll talk about that separately. It does something completely different if you have a plus or a minus. But look at the parameters. If A is a fraction between 0 and 1, can't be equal to 0, can't be equal to 1, because at 1 it would be the parent function. So if it's fraction within that range, tell me what it does, and then also look at values when A is greater than 1. Feel free to play with this calculator a little bit. It's great for you guys, because then you can really see what's happening. Good luck. We'll see you in class.